to be playing Call of Duty Ghosts. And, so yeah. Let me mute these players. Sorry. Alright, let's do it. I kind of hate this map. I honestly don't like it. I haven't, well, that's my opinion. I don't know, yours. But you guys probably like it. I don't know. Maybe you don't, but, I kind of do. I don't really like CA or whatever you call it. But I still, I'm actually using Remington. Remington, and, so yeah. So yeah, guys, let's go. We already got kills. Alright. No, I don't see any guys. Now just destroy the C4. Alright, I'm gonna go up here. I'm actually gonna... Yeah. I just gonna snipe down people from here. I think it's a good idea to snipe down people right here. No, I'm not gonna do it because no one's coming. Really come over here to, you know, look around and kill the Federation. Oh, what the heck? I did not see that guy. What? He just like came. Okay, whatever. But, alright. Let's go over here. I'm gonna go through this way, because I get a little bit of more advantage. Because usually people come in through, not this way, but, I saw somebody. What the heck? What was that? What the crap just... What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Man, that's messed up, man. Oh, this comes pretty cool. Alright. Oh, smack. What the heck? Alright, I'm gonna go through over here. Oh, I have a concussion grenade. I don't like concussion grenades. There's no point. There's no point of it. Oh, what the... Yeah. Alright. What the? Man, that's messed up. Oh my god. Alright. I don't know if the silencer is even helping me. I'm going stealth mode. You know. Alright, Ali. Okay. I don't need to know right now. Cause, you know. What the? I should throw one of those stinking grenades. Man, I could have got him. What the heck? What the? I'm gonna kill that guy right now. I'm going to get revenge. Revenge! Aw. Alright, let's go get revenge for what they done to us, ghosts. Can you go up here? Oh yeah, you could. I never thought of, but alright, let's do it. Oh, what the crap? What the heck, man? Man, this is so dumb. Oh my gosh, what? The crap? What the heck? Okay, that's... Why is this a dog right there? That doesn't make any sense to me. It stinking doesn't make sense. Oh, what the heck? Alright, you know what? I'm gonna go right here. Okay, man, what the... Yes! Horse place kill! Oh, smack. Oh, I thought that guy was bad. Alright, I'm gonna kind of camp out right here. Alright, it's a good camping spot. Oh, okay. I don't know why that concussion grenade is there. Really, I don't know why. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna. Oh, smack! There's a thing right there. Oh shoot! Oh, come on, man! Right, I'm gonna go this way. This way to the venture. Alright, let me just check right here real quickly. Alright, no one's there. I'm going to go over here. Oh shoot, it's right there. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go right here. So oh shoot. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna try to sneak. Oh, smack! Oh, what the? How did I know? I wish there was a little hole I can just shoot it. Noobish. So stinking noobish. Man, I hate... Yes! Thank you. Stinking much. Yes! Kill. Oh, what does he have? What do you have? Honey badger. I don't care about honey badger. Alright, so we're just gonna kind of sneak over here. Maybe not sneak, but go over here. And, okay, whatever. Just think it's someone right here. Right here? Okay. Are they dead or something? Oh, they're dead. Okay. Never mind. Oh, what the crap, man. What the heck? Okay, I should ignore that. Because they probably put more C4 there. And I don't want to get killed by it. Alright, I'm gonna go right here. Oh, what the stinking pigeon? Little what the? Oh, come on, man. What the heck? No. Wow. So yeah, guys, leave a like, leave a comment also, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next time.